Hi, Chef Claire here, and today we're gonna make herb tagliatelle. Yes, you heard it, herb tagliatelle. We're gonna do it with chopped herbs. We're gonna use the Emeril Pasta and Beyond pasta maker to do that. So first, we're gonna pull out of our handy dandy drawer the tagliatelle disc. Put that on, then we're gonna secure it. Slightly tighten, not a lot. And then what we're going to do is we're going to make a 1 pound batch, which is 2 of the dry measuring cups, leveled off. So let's start there. Let's remove the lid. And let's fill our dry cup measure. We're going to make sure it's nice and level. There you go. There's 1. There's 2. Then we're going to put a teaspoon of salt in. Salt again. Salt is for flavor. And I chopped some fresh herbs, and we're going to put that in. You can use any herbs. You can use rosemary. You could use sage, chive. Chive pasta is really kind of nice sometimes. You can use dill, parsley, just chop them fine. That's all you have to do. Right into the mixing bowl. Now I'm going to secure the lid. And let's do the the eggs. We are going to mix 2 eggs together so that they're nice and smooth. So you want to beat them really good. Take out all the lumps so they're nice and silky. What you gotta do is, here's your cup. You put the eggs in. We're going to do a tablespoon of oil, and oil is for flavor, and it's also to make the pasta a little more pliable. And now we're going to fill to the double batch line with water. We're going to give it another mix to incorporate everything. And now we're going to go to the machine. We're going to hit the power button, and then we're going to hit the batch button twice to indicate 2 batches, which is 1 pound. And then we're just going to add the eggs and the water and the oil through the liquid feeder at a steady stream. Now, 19 minutes from start to finish, from mixing to extruding. So we're gonna let it mix, and then it's gonna switch off to do the extrude, and then we'll make the cuts of the pasta, which is what this tool is for. It helps us cut the pasta to the size that we want. Okay, so it stops, because now what it's going to do is it's going to start going the other way to extrude the pasta. And there it goes. Beautiful tagliatelle with nice, beautiful herbs in them. Some of the things that you can do with an herb pasta like this is you can pan-sear scallops or fish and then have a side of pasta. just even lightly coated with some butter. That would be delicious. But it's got great flavor with putting the nice fresh herbs in. And once again, in the summertime, when you have an abundance of herbs in your garden, this is just another thing that you can do with your herbs. Just put them in your pasta to infuse some beautiful flavor. So I can see that it's clumping inside for a bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add maybe about a tablespoon of flour. I just literally open up the lid and it stops. Sprinkle some flour, just a little bit. I'm going to knock this down just a little bit also because then it'll give it a head start. And I'm all about a head start. What that does is it dries up the dough a little bit to break it up so that it'll feed into the feeder and come out more smooth. And look, we have beautiful tagliatelle, herb tagliatelle. Great for seafood side dishes with fish, shrimps, pan-seared scallops. Be yummy. Toss with a nice little light butter, a little lemon maybe. Be a delicious side dish. Doing it again. Salted water, boiling hot water, and in 3 minutes, amazing fresh pasta that you got to control the ingredients. Made in Emeril's Pasta and Beyond pasta maker.
For more information, tips, tricks, and delicious recipes, please watch our videos at emerilpastabeyondinfo.com.